welcome back to another episode of Shed Life UK. Today we're going to do the coolant tank because it's been well overdue. I think I've been driving it around for about a month like this, you know, doing its normal day-to-day life, and it's been running perfectly fine, but I think it deserves a new one, especially with the plans we've got for it this year. So we're going to take the old coolant tank out, replace it with the new one that I've got in the passenger seat, and yeah, stay with us for the process. We've got the air box somewhat, well, not the air box, the air pipe somewhat out. Just going to get the coolant tank out now, hopefully get it out as well. Coolant tank is now out. I say that as it won't come out. There we go.
Now it's out.
There's coolant everywhere, but you know, minor detail. So we'll unclip this little clip, which I can't be bothered. Yeah. Thank you, Ryan's floor. Get this little clip out. So I still need that one. So it's probably a better idea to keep that. And then we'll get the air box out because oh look! Do you see what I see?
Is it another bolt?
No.
Oh, there's a big hole.
There's another, yeah, it's a big hole. Yeah, there's one on the other side as well. Have you got a screwdriver to hand so I can...
I might do, mate. Let me just fetch it.
Okay, thank you.
Here's a screwdriver.
Oh, perfect, mate, thank you. Right, let's see. Oh, it's still gonna be a bitch. There you go, go.
Oh, nope.
Use your...
That's wedged in tight.
That's what she said. That's what she said. Yeah, I don't really want to... Oh, there we go. She's done there, my chavvy.
And it's out.
Bit cooler in my eyes, right?
Dun, dun, dun.
It's fun.
Will Robbie be blind in the next video? Tune in and find
Maybe
out.
not, but look. This was the old one, as you can see. Cheap.
Big hole.
Well, not cheap. Very...
Old plastic.
Old plastic, yeah. 22 years old. And out with the old, in with the brand new. Look at that, nice and white and clean. Won't last long though, will it? So we'll get this new one in.
So Rob, now it's pissing with rain. What are we doing?
So we're getting the new coolant tank back in.
Mm-hmm.
As we said, it's only 2 bolts, so it's probably the easiest thing to take in and out. You do have to you know, undo a couple of extra little bits and bobs to give yourself a bit of extra room, but it takes what, 5 minutes? We've been here not even that long.
So we're going to pop the battery back in and then we'll reveal what we're going to be doing.
Yes, we will be. The plans for 2022 for this Micra. We're on the way to Wicks now to make a makeshift snorkel. Hey! And if anyone knows what a snorkel's used for, it's used for off-roading and going through deep water. So that's the plan for this Micra. We're going to make it an off-road slayer. So we're going to put it on a lift kit. We're going to put big chunky tyres on it. We're going to be putting a light bar on it, bull bars, anything that makes it look off-roady. And then we're going to put it through a certain amount of challenges every time we put a new bit of equipment on. So when we put the snorkel on, we're not going to test anything on that one, just because if it does break, I don't really want to break it straight away. So I'd rather get loads more stuff on then test it. So we'll head to Wicks now, buy some stuff, and we'll tune back in when we're on the way back and show you what we've got.
So Rob, we have some parts.
We do, and if Ryan pans over to the back, that is all the stuff we've got for our little snorkel build. And also if he pans round to the front windscreen, where you can see our tube is hanging out the window, well, sunroof. Hopefully we don't get pulled over. We shouldn't do. But we've brought everything, only 50 quid, surprisingly. Not too bad. So we'll get it all built up and we'll bring you in for the process when we get back. So we'll see you in a bizzle. So we've been to Wicks and back. We've got a couple of parts, as you can see. This is what we're making my snorkel out of. The weather has taken a horrible turn, as it did at the start of the video. So me and Ryan now can't be bothered to carry on and get absolutely drenched. So we're going to come back to this next week. But for now, you know what the plans are. You know how it's looking. We've done the coolant tank now, so you know the car's not going to break officially. And stay tuned for next week when we try and actually install this. See you next week.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.